I sat with my friend in a well-known coffee shop in a neighboring town of Venice, Italy, the city of lights and water. As we enjoyed our coffee, a man entered and sat at an empty table besides it. He called the waiter and placed his order, saying, "2 cups of coffee, one of them there on the wall." We heard this order with rather interest and observed that he was served with 1 cup of coffee, but he paid for 2. When he left, the waiter put a piece of paper on the wall saying, "A cup of coffee." While we were still there, 2 other men entered and ordered 3 cups of coffee, 2 on the table and 1 on the wall. They had 2 cups of coffee but paid for 3 and left. This time also the waiter did the same. He put a piece of paper on the wall saying, "A cup of coffee." It was something unique and perplexing. For us, we finished our coffee, paid the bill and left. After a few days, we had a chance to go to this coffee shop again. While we were there enjoying our coffee, a man fully dressed entered. As he seated himself, he looked at the wall and said, "1 cup of coffee from the wall." The waiter served coffee to this man with the customary respect and dignity. The man had his coffee and left without paying. We were amazed to watch all this as the waiter took off the piece of paper from the wall and threw it in the trash bin. Now, it was no surprise for us. The matter was very clear. The great respect for the needy shown by the inhabitants of this town made our eyes well up in tears. Ponder upon the need of what this man wanted. He enters the coffee shop without having to lower his self-esteem. He has no need to ask for a free cup of coffee without asking or knowing about the one who is giving this cup of coffee to him. He only looked at the wall, placed an order for himself, enjoyed his coffee and left. A truly beautiful thought, probably the most beautiful wall you may ever see anywhere.